All right, thanks, Nalani. Right now, we got to get you a check of the radar and the tropics. We have a lot to talk about this morning, but why not just start with this beautiful shot? This is looking out towards Sanibel Island from our Skycam out at Fort Myers Beach. And tide is out and the sun is up. And that means our temperature is going to continue to climb here with the high today of around 92 degrees. We will see a 30% chance of some showers and thunderstorms here around southwest Florida, mainly for our inland community, the areas around Glades, Henry counties, around Lake Okeechobee, before those showers and thunderstorms dissipate over towards Palm Beach and Broward counties. This morning, we tracked a little cluster of thunderstorms here south of Chokoloskee at Everglades City. What's left of those are still some showers there west of Flamingo, but we remain dry. A little false return showing up here along US 27 south of Lake Placid, and our temperatures have been climbing all morning long. We're now near 80 degrees. Naples southbound all the way towards Everglades City. And Punta Gordas is 79. Everyone has a dew point value in the low 70s here, and with that moisture in place, that's why we can't rule out the chance of a scattered shower or thunderstorm. Now, our rain chance almost doubles by the weekend, so we've got a couple of drier days before that rain chance shoots up to about 60% for Saturday and Sunday. And you can see your forecast for today. That 92-degree mark is exactly our normal for this date. So it's a pretty typical summer day in southwest Florida. Now, the predictor model is going to show you what's going to happen today. That Gulf breeze is going to kick in. Showers and thunderstorms develop on the interior sections and along I-75, dissipate pretty quickly around sunset tonight, which is roughly around 8:30. And then tomorrow, we kind of do it all over again. We'll see showers and thunderstorms develop inland, but only about a 30% chance. Now, yesterday, the National Hurricane Center began issuing advisories on subtropical depression number 4. This is between Bermuda and areas around Nova Scotia, and the forecast has this weakening over the next couple of days. The 5 a.m. forecast keeps this as a subtropical depression, but any increase to about 40 miles per hour, and this would become subtropical storm Dolly. It would be the 4th one on the list for this year. Another thing we're watching is dust all the way from the Sahara Desert off the coast of Africa. Now, what happens here is the winds in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere are strong enough to pick up these light, fine dust particles over the Sahara Desert. They make a 5,000-mile trek across the Atlantic. And what is interesting about this one, even though this is very common, we see this happen several times a year, this is one of the strongest dust plumes to arrive in the Caribbean around Puerto Rico in the last 50 to 60 years. And watch the forecast here for the next 5 days. This dust is going to enter the Gulf of Mexico, kind of curl back towards Florida. So while we will see some dusty conditions here, the main dust plume is going to stay to our south and then actually enter the Tennessee Valley. So what this will do for us here is suppress some tropical development, but also give us some beautiful sunrises and sunsets, and that hot and hazy conditions. They'll be around Thursday and Friday with temperatures in the mid-90s there to wrap up the week.